Okay, student, let's study together the book. We have tests coming up, so we try to study from beginning, and I will do this with you. There are 10 sessions, and we will do from 1.1. Okay. So here it says, Introduction to whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers. What is a whole number? Okay, here it says a whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is called whole number. And what is counting? Is counting stuff. Like counting 1 car, 2 car, 3 car. You count. So counting start from 1. And whole number is 0. Okay, and there is a number line like this. Right side is bigger, left side is smaller. Okay. Now numbers, there is a name for that place. It's called place value. There is a name for the place. Okay, and for whole numbers, your dot is here. And every 3 number, there is a comma. Every 3 number is a comma. So this comma, we call this a thousands comma. The comma here is called the thousands comma. And comma here is millions comma. Here is a billions comma. And here is a trillions comma. Okay, so these are the name. This is dot here, and then this is a comma here. Okay, so the first one is called ones. The second one, tens, hundreds. And then it's always 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100, you see? 1, 10, okay, you see 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. 1, 10, 100. But here only this is 1, right? And then this is 1,000. So then it's 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, and then 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, billion, 10 billions, 100 billions, trillion, 10 trillions, 100 million, 100 trillions. Okay, 10 trillion. Anyway, okay, so you need to memorize 1,000 million, billion, trillion. Million, billion, trillion. Okay, so million is a 60. Billion is 90. Trillion is 12. So if you put 1 here and 12, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you put 12 zeros, that's a trillion. Okay. If you put 90 right here, 1, this is billion. If you put 1 here, this is a million. Okay. So now it's just practice. Okay. So first one is a 7. 7 here, right? So this is 7,000. 1,000, right? Because this one is 1,000. 0 is 10,000. 1 is tens. Don't forget the S at the end. 6 is, okay, so 6 is, what is 6? This is 1,000. This is a million. So this is a million. This is 10 million. So 6 is 10 millions. Make sure you can spell 10 millions. 2L. Millions. Okay, 3 is millions. All right, so do a lot of practice. on this. Okay, so here's the answer already. Okay. And then you need to do this, try it. You want to try together. What's 2? 2 is here. 2 is 10 millions because this is a million. This is 1/10. 10 millions. 1 is tens. 4 is 100,000s because this is 100, right? And then this is 1,000. So this is 100,000s. Okay. 7 here, millions, because it's 2 comma. 7 is next to the 2 comma. And then 5 is ones. Okay, and do your work. And then make sure you always do it correctly. You check your answer at the back of the book. Yeah, check your answer. Try this. And do it until you get everything correct. Never wrong. Okay. So then this is a trillion, billion. Okay, anyway, do this until you are 100% right. Don't make any mistake anymore. Okay, this is all same thing. What are we doing? Rounding. Okay, now we are rounding the whole number. Round means about. It's about how many. Yeah. So this says a round. Round to the nearest 100. So 100 is here, 100. So what you round is the next number. If it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you give up. Okay, you give up. Just give up freely. If it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you move up, okay? You move up. Or add 1 to the next one. Add 1. Okay, what I mean is this number. If it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, this is a bigger, so you add 1. You add 1 to the 6. So it becomes 7. 6 becomes 7. And then here you just make it 0, 0. And then you just copy all the rest. So if this is how much money you have in the bank, $23,000, $23,658. And you can just say, I have about 23,700. You don't have to say 658. Okay, you say 700. This is about round it up. You round. Okay. So if you round this to the nearest 100, this is 100, right? We want to round it to 100. So you look at this one next to that, 5. Yeah, 5 is you add. You add 1, so become 1,790. And then round to the nearest 100 here. So this 7 you add, so become 469,000. Wait, I do it wrong. I do it wrong. Not to this, but to this. Okay. If I'm not careful, I do it wrong. Okay. I'm wrong. Hundreds here. So this one, 5. 5 is more. So it become 468,800. Yeah. Okay. So we need to be careful. Don't make careless mistake. To the nearest, okay? To the nearest 100. Okay, 100 is this one. So do you add or not add? Add, right? 7 is more than 5. So yes. So 9 become 10. And 10 you need to go in one more. So it become 104. 000. Okay. Now thousands. thousands is here, 3. So 9 is more than 5. So it become 104,000 thousands. Okay, if you want to do 10,000s, 10,000s is this one. And then this is 3 is not more than 5. So just give it up. Give it up. Okay, so it's a 1 0 0 0 0 0. 10,000s. Okay, you do it and check your homework. All right, let me make sure I do it all correct. Okay, A is 104,000, 104,000, and then 103, 110. Yeah, I think I'm right. Okay, identify multiplies and apply division test, divisibility test. Okay, so number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 are called multiples of 2. Okay, yeah, because 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So they are called multiples of 2. All right, and then these are called multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, right? Because it's 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So all these are multiples. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. These are called multiples of 3. Okay, we understand. And if we memorize multiplication, so these are all multiples of 2. Here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, and then all that. Now, a number is a multiple of n if it is the product of a counting number and n. Okay, I think you understand. A number, like a number, is multiple of 2 because it's 2 times 3. And it's also a multiple of 3. It's a multiple of 2 and it's a multiple of 3. That's called a multiples. Now we try to see if it's divisible by 3. Then we just check if it's a multiple of 3. If it's a multiple of 3, it can be divided. Okay, so okay, so here is the rule. This is the rule. So the rule is it can be divided by 2 if it's even number. Okay, if its ending is even number. If the last digit is even number. For example, 5,625. It cannot be divided by 2 because it's not even number. Okay, because the ending is a 5. So not divided by 2. Can it be divided by 3? Okay, 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. The sum, okay, so 5,625. You get the sum. Sum means you add them together. So that would be 11 and 7, 18. Can 18 be divided by 3? Answer is yes. Okay. Yes. So 5,625 is a yes. It can be divided by 3. So yes. Divide by 3. Yes. Okay. Okay. Can it be divided by 5 if the last digit is a 5 or 0? Okay. So let's see. Last digit. This one is a 5 or 0. Yes. Okay. So this. Yes. Can it be divided by 6? Well, if it's both divisible by both. If it's divisible by both. But it cannot be divided by 2, right? So no, cannot. Because 3 is okay, but 2 is not okay. Can it be divisible by 10 if it ends with 0? So this ends with 5. So no. Okay, so we just have to remember the rule. The rule. Okay, now let's try it. Try this. Determine whether 4962 is divisible by 2. Okay, by 2, ended with 2, yes. By 3, okay, we need to add it. 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 2 equal to 13 plus 8. Well, this is 13, right? Plus 8. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 can be divided by 3. 21 divided by 3, okay, right? So 3 is okay. Now, divided by 5, the ending number is not 0 or 5, so no. Can it be divided by 6? Well, both 2 and 3 are checked, so 6 is checked. Can it be divided by 10? The last number is not 0, so no. How about do the next one? Okay, can it be divided by 2? Well, last number, no. Can it be divided by 3? 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. Okay, what is this? 10, 11, 21. Yes, 21, yes. Because 21. Okay, 5. Last number is a 5. Yes. Can it be divided by 6? Well, because 2 and 3, 2 is no, so it's no. You need both, so no. Can it be divided by 10? Well, last number need to be 0, so no. Okay. Now, this is another term. So 8 times 9 equal to 72. And this is a multiply. So we say this is a factor. This is a factor. If they are multiplied together to become 72, then we say they are factors of 72. Okay, so those are both factors. Now, we have many different factors. 172 or 2 times 36 is 72. 3 times 24, 4 times 18, 6 times 12. Okay, many different ways to get factors. So you have many factors. You have all these factors. Yeah, 172, 172, and 236, and then 3 to 18, 4 to, wait. Huh? 3 to what is 3 to 18? Okay. 4 to 12 is not. 4 to 18 is. Okay. Or 6 to 12, 8 and 7. Yeah. Anyway, all these are factors of 72. So in the expression, okay, it's called factors. Now, there is something called prime number. Prime number is a number that's bigger than 1. So 1 is not, it's greater than 1. And its factors are only 1 and itself. Okay, so like 2 is bigger than 1, and 2 is only 2 times 1, nothing else. 3 is only 3 times 1. So these are prime numbers. Okay. But then how about 4? 4 is a 4 and 1, and also is 2 and 2. So it's not only one choice. It's called composite. Composite. Because you have one choice, two choice, two combination. So that's called composite. 5, okay, 5 is only 5 and 1. 6, okay, 6 is 6 and 1 and also 2 and 3. So 6 is a composite. 7 is 7 and 1. 8, well, all the even number are composite. All the even number, 8 and 1 and 2 and 4, right? Yeah, because, yeah, it's even number, all the even number are composite. 9, oops, 9 is not. 9 is 9 and 1, but it's also 3 and 3. So 9 is composite. Okay, anyway, so that's the name, prime or composite. Now here, it give you a list. Okay, if it's only one and itself, it's called prime. If there's more factors, it's called composite. Okay. Prime factorization, okay? This English word, prime factorization, you draw a tree. That's the easiest way, just draw a tree. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Like this, a tree. Okay, draw a tree. 40A is same as 2 times 24, and 2 is prime. So, okay, you can circle the prime. Now, 24, and you can go ahead, break it down to 4 and 6 and break it down, Okay, this is called draw a tree. So if you want the prime factorization, you want to get to the bottom, you draw a tree called prime factorization. Yeah. Okay. Prime factorization. Okay, just remember that name, prime factorization. So here we want to find the prime factorization. So that means tree. Okay, you draw a tree. 80 to 40. 2 is always easy. 2 for 20. 2, 10. 2, 5. Okay, no more. So that's your prime factorization. So you can say 80 is equal to all the bottom number. This is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. You break it down. 80 is equal to that. How about 60? 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5. Okay. So 2, 2, 3, 5. Okay, 60 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Find the prime factorization of 252. Okay, like this. Oh, if you want to do a nicer tree, big tree, you can break it down in the middle. Okay, you break it down in the middle. If you do 2, 5, 2, and you can also do 2, and it's 1, 26, 2, 6, 3, 7, 9, 3, 3. Same thing. You can do it both way, or yeah, you can do it this way or that way, either way. Okay. 2, 2, 3, 3, 7. 2, 2, 3, 3, 7. Same thing. Okay, so now what is common multiples? Common multiples, that means it's bigger. Okay, bigger than itself. So 12, this is multiple. 12, 24, 36. This is 12 times 1, 12 times 2, 12 times 3, 12 times 4, 12 times 5, 12 times 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And then 18, you have 12 times 1 or 12 2. Okay. So common multiple means they are the same. between 12 and 18, their multiple are the same. Okay, so you say common multiple is 36, 72, 108. Okay, which one is the smallest one? Of course, this one is the smallest one, 36. Okay, so this is the English. You need to remember common multiple and then least common multiple. And least common multiple, usually we can use this, least common multiple. Okay. And then, what is this one? 15 and 20, okay? 15 is all this number, 20 is all this number. So, what are the common ones? Well, common one I see, this is a common, this is a common, right? So, common multiple would be 60, 120, and what? Maybe 180. Yeah, every 60 you will have a common one. But the least common multiple, right now they want the least common multiple. So of course that's the smallest number is 60. Okay. How to find least common multiple using prime factors method. Okay, so you have two ways. This method is called, what method is this? So this method is called listing multiple. By listing multiples. So you just list all of them. Another method is called prime factors method. Prime factors method. Okay, how do we do that? You do the tree and then you have a number that has all of them. So 12 is 223, 18 is 233. So you want all of them. So you want 2233. Yeah, you want to make sure you have a number that has 223 and that has 233. You have both. This is your least common multiple. Okay, make sure you have all the factors in there. Okay, so let's say use prime factors method. 9, 3, right? 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. Okay, here I have 3, 3. Here I have 2, 2, 3. So I need 3, 3, and 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Okay, so my answer is I multiply them. 9 times 4 is 36. So my answer is 36. Okay, 18 and 24. 18, break it down. 9 times 2, 3 times 3. Okay, 24. 3 times 8. 2 times 4 and 2, 2, right? Okay, I need 332, 332, 332, right? And then I need 3, okay, I have 3. 222, 222. This is what I need, 3, 222. Okay, so I multiply all of them. That's 9, right? And 333 is 8, so that means 72. 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, answer. My answer is 72. It's my LCM, least common factor. Okay, so that's a two-way, two different methods. Right. Okay, now it's your time to do homework. So you do homework, do all the art. Right now it's too late to turn in homework, but do all odds and check answer. And then make sure no more careless. We don't want careless mistake. You know why we don't want careless mistake? Because you know how to do it. So you should get the point. But because you are careless, you don't get the point. That's a waste. Right? Like you make money, but you are careless. And then you lost the money on your way home. That's really bad. You work all day, you should bring the money home. But you were careless and you just like, pew, money, I don't know where. Yeah, that's a careless mistake. It's bad. You should get your point. If you do it, you know how to do it, you should get the point. Yeah, so do a lot of practice and no more careless mistake. Yeah. Okay, so please do it and do your homework. If you want to send it to me, please send it to me. I would like to see you doing homework and use one color, black or blue. Do your homework and then use a red pen to check. Yes, no, careless. Okay, yeah, that's what I want you to do. Please do it. Then we can move on to 1.2 next time. Okay, that's it. Bye.